Hey floor cleaners, it's John here. In last week's video, I talked about something called material reciprocity, and in this week's video, I'm going to be talking about another similar concept called emotional reciprocity and how that can help you grow and scale your floor cleaning business and take it to the next level. If you've never heard of me before, my name's John Williams and I run a company called AGB. We specialize in one industry and one industry only, the floor cleaning industry, and we specialize in one thing only, getting floor cleaning businesses like yours booked out with jobs on autopilot using our specialist digital marketing system. I'm on a personal mission to try and help as many floor cleaning business owners as humanly possible, not just survive but thrive, whether that's through working with us on a one-on-one basis inside our program or through this YouTube channel. So without further ado, let's dive right in. How to build trust and rapport through emotional reciprocity. So effectively, last week we did a video talking about material reciprocation, and I wanted to follow up this week with a video about emotional reciprocation. They're two different things. Material reciprocation has a physical aspect. So a good example of material reciprocity is offers and discounts on floor cleaning services, giveaway and referral campaigns. Because you're giving away a free hallway, the customer feels compelled to leave you a review, to reciprocate on, because you've done something for them, they feel like they need to do something for you. And then you've got emotional reciprocation, which is when you make others feel good or appreciated by saying or doing non-material things. So this could be, for example, sending them a birthday card or something like that. You know, maybe when they schedule, you ask them their date of birth, you get that into your database, and every year you send them a birthday card. You maybe send them a brownie in the post. This is something that we do with our floor cleaning clients, and that makes them feel good, feels amazing, and then they feel like they need to stay with you as a customer and reciprocate on your emotional reciprocity. Like I say, last week we did material reciprocation, and this week I want to focus on the emotional aspects of reciprocation. When used correctly, reciprocity can be a powerful tool to inspire action. Service-based business owners use the principle of reciprocity in many different ways and to significant effect. That's what we're going to be talking about on today's video. So one of the effective ways to channel emotional reciprocity that doesn't take much of your time is a thank you card. You can send a thank you for choosing us or thank you for becoming our customer card to a new customer the day after you service their household. And you can also send a thank you for being a valued customer to a regular client. The idea of the card is to show your genuine appreciation rather than trying to offer any deals or discounts. You just literally want to be saying from the heart, listen, we really appreciate you in your business, nothing more. You can also send a cookie, send a brownie. There are a lot of companies that will allow you to do that, and this is a great way to work your way into the hearts of your customers so that they become customers for the rest of their lives. Sending a Merry Christmas card from our team is another great idea. It can be a photo of you and your employees maybe stood next to the truck or with Christmas tops on or something like that. Again, it's that human approach, the fact that you remembered them, that you took that time, and then, you know, as the new year comes after Christmas, they've got that Christmas card on the mantelpiece above the fire next to the stockings full of presents. You know, the family's been over, the place is a bit of a mess. There's that little reminder there on the side. They see the card and they think to go and hire you right in the new year to get their carpets cleaned again. So sending a Christmas card is a great way to channel emotional reciprocity and get people signing back up with you in the new year. A great way to show regular customers that they are not just another client on your company's database, as I mentioned earlier, is to send a birthday card or another personal event. If you follow them on Facebook or social media, if they've come in through paid advertising, you're able to check out their profile and you find out they've just recently got engaged or something like that, you can always send them a card, a thank you card, a little token of your appreciation. And again, just the fact that you thought about them and you took the time to do something like that and you're not asking for anything in return, it really taps on the heart, and it makes people think, wow, this is an amazing company. And that's how you get customers for life. The power of a customer care call. There's a lot to be said about the magic a single phone call can make to stand out from the crowd as a service-based business. All it takes for a technician, or even better, the owner of the company, to give a customer a follow-up call to ask about their experience of using your floor cleaning service. It makes sense to call a day after after the event took place. You can call the new clients to introduce yourself and the company and ask for their feedback. This will immediately help to build a strong rapport with new customers from the start and take their comments into consideration to give them an even better customer experience next time. I once saw a story about the most successful dentist in the USA. He was talking at some expo and he had a multi-million dollar dental practice, and people came from all over America to have their teeth looked after by this guy. And somebody, asked him, what's the secret of your success? What did you do that's like making you crush it in the way that you are, where you're absolutely dominating the market in your area? Like, how are you doing this? Like, what did you do? And he said, it's really, really simple. All I did was, after somebody has had a treatment at my dentist, no matter how big or small, even if it's just a filling, a few hours later, I will call them back to see if they're okay, to make sure they're not in any discomfort. I will also call them back a week later, and I'll also call them back a week after that, 2 weeks down the line as well, to make sure that everything is okay with them. And it's not the reception that's calling, it's not the nurse that's calling, it's the dentist himself, dental practice owner. And because he took that extra step, no matter how small the operation or the treatment was, his customers felt that next level of care. They've never experienced anything like it before. And effectively, it's this and word of mouth that allowed him to grow to become a multi-million-dollar dental practice, because people from all around were like, you want to check this guy out. He's like amazing. Proper takes great care of you. He does great dental work, and like he'll basically call you up and check on you and make sure that you're okay for like 2 weeks after the actual procedure's taken place. That's how he grew his dental practice business. People were talking about him. He provided such an amazing level of care, and that people felt compelled to keep using him, right? Emotional reciprocity in action right there. There's no harm calling recurring clients as well, just to check in, see how they're going, asking for their feedback, making them feel like a valued customer as well. You can also share any kind of company news, such as switching to eco-friendly products at the same time. But just showing that you care in general is the essence of emotional reciprocity and how it can work to kind of grow your business and retain your clients. So final thoughts, out of all the various ways to like boost your business, emotional reciprocity approach is an amazing time and investment friendly way to build trust and rapport with new customers, show regular customers you care to, show appreciation, boost your bookings, get more referrals, get people talking about you, get word of mouth going by simply showing that you care, by remembering a birthday, by shooting them a Christmas card, by checking in with them to see how things are going. And if you do that, and if you do that regularly and you build a system around that, then ultimately you'll have a very successful business with a lot of long-term clients. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button down below. And if you'd like to find out more details about working with us on a one-on-one basis to get you booked out with jobs and take your floor cleaning business to the next level, head down to the description below where you'll find all the necessary details. See you on the next video, guys. Peace.